In this video, I show you how to fix 111 VPN connecting problem or unable to connect problem. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store, search 1.1 VPN, click on it, update your 1.1 VPN if available any update version. Now go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now click on 1.1 VPN, click on force install, click on OK, click on storage and cache, clear storage, then delete. Now go back, then go back to settings. Now search settings, search VPN, click on VPN, click on VPN again. Now click on settings icon. Now click on forget VPN. Forget. If you use any other VPN, then also forget. Now open 1.1 VPN. Now tap on next, accept, install VPN profile, then OK. Not now. Now click on connect button. Now I hope that this method fix VPN connection problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.